Friends, for decades, a narrative was made that certain things are just impossible in India. The progress our nation has achieved since 2014 gives me confidence that nothing is impossible for 130 crore Indians. नामुमकिन अब मुमकिन है. It was said that making a clean India was impossible, but people of India are making it possible. It was said that corruption-free government in India was impossible, but people of India have made it possible. It was said that it is impossible to remove corruption from the process of giving people their due, but people of India are making it possible. It was said that it is impossible for the poor to leverage the power of technology, but the people of India are making it possible. It was said that removing discrimination and arbitration in policy making was impossible, but people of India are making it possible. It was said that economic reforms in India were impossible, but people of India are making it possible. It was said that governments cannot be pro-growth and pro-approval at the same time, but the people of India are making it possible. I have also been told that there is a perception or theory that a developing economy cannot grow at higher rate for a longer period without facing the problem of inflation. Post-liberalization, that is after 1991, almost all governments formed in our country had to face this problem, what many experts call overheating of economy after a short period of growth. As a result of this, we never had sustainable higher rate of growth. You may recall that we had a government between 91 and 96 where the average growth was about 5%, but the average inflation was more than 10%. The government just before us, between 2009 and 2014, had an average growth of about 6.5%, with an average inflation again in double digits. Friends, well, I'm not an economist. I'm talking about the previous government. Friends, during 2014 to 2019, the country would register average growth of 7.4%, and the average inflation would be less than 4.5%. Post-liberalization of Indian economy, this will be the highest rate of average growth and lowest rate of average inflation witnessed during the period of any government. With these changes and reforms, transformation is happening in the way our economy has moved. The Indian economy has expanded the bouquet of its financing resources. It is no more dependent on bank credit for investment needs.